Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I'll make super tasty noodles with mushrooms, carrots, peppers, zucchini, duck, and freshly roasted sesame seeds. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. First step, oil goes on the pan. Salt, freshly ground pepper, soy sauce, okay, mushrooms, zucchini, peppers are ready and goes to the bowl. Frying pan is clean, hot, and new oil is on. Now, onion goes on. The time has come to serve this dish. Amigos, extremely delicious noodles are landing on the table. Bon appetit. Bon appetit very much. Arriba, arriba. One important thing. The game changer. Stuff which is taking this dish on a higher level, the highest level. Freshly roasted sesame seeds. It is changing everything. Try this dish without freshly roasted sesame seeds. Crazy!